Let's get dressed. You need to come home with me because that would just be too stinking easy. I'm feeling that. I didn't put lotion on today, so we can actually fit in our jeans. It's so morbid, but whatever. It's all an illusion. Can't be a rock star with your crusty eye boogers. Sometimes I like can't find the freaking hole. Alright, hi. Welcome back to another Get Dressed With Me style video. I've been loving making these, so I hope you guys are enjoying them. But it's kind of snowing, kind of just raining at this point. We did get a good amount of snow last night, but there's really not much now. And I thought I wouldn't be able to really leave the house a ton, because like, if I don't have to, why leave the house, you know? Just planned to do a bunch of stuff in the house, and then I was like, it's not that bad out. I have to run a couple errands, and it's supposed to snow the rest of the week, so I'm like, we're just gonna get a jump start. So, something super chill today. I'm not feeling like putting a ton of energy in. I have to go to the mall. I have to run to the USPS store. What else do I need to do? I don't know, something slipped my mind. But I got this shirt the other day from Target. When I saw it, I was like, you need to come home with me because I love green. Green's my thing. I have green sweaters, green purse. Like, I just love green. So I got this in a size extra small because it looked pretty like oversized as it is. So let's style it today. I think I'm gonna go with just dark jeans and Converse. Like I said, it's not anything revolutionary, and these videos normally aren't. I hate when these little like, can't we find a better system than these little pokey plastic things? Because I break them and I feel like they never come out correctly again. Like, probably could just use scissors, Kelly. That would just be too stinking easy. Anyway, I was doing some laundry today. Oh, it's like stuck in the fibers. Oh my gosh. This is a freaking mess. I was doing laundry today, and I became very aware of how annoying my washing machine sound is. And I know I can turn it off, but then I forget that it's in there if I turn it off. And then I've got moldy clothes and I need to wash it twice, and that's just like not very eco-friendly. So it is not only like annoying, it is a solid like 20 seconds of just like, and I'm just like, what? I don't think it's that necessary. I wish there was like a shorter version and a long version. But I guess like, maybe that's like a nice washing machine and they're like, you should have a bigger house if you own this wash. Like, I don't know what the rationale behind making it so long is. So, anyhow, random thoughts. But let's style this little green. Like I said, it's nothing gonna be crazy. I hope I can find this because I bought it the other day and I tried to post it on my vlog and I like couldn't find it. You know when you go to like your cart and it's like gone? Yeah. So, and then I kind of curled my hair, but it's like, it needs to be washed. So I didn't want to apply a ton of heat to it because it needs to be washed. So let's do this. Let's get dressed. You don't really care. I did my hair, my makeup. I was pulling a shirt. I also very badly need to paint my nails because I got like a chip that just happened. God, my hair's so dirty. Okay, I'm thinking let's do like an open button, like lay flat moment. I'm feeling that. I love this green, but with red nail polish, I kind of feel like I'm Christmassy. Let's put on my pants. I'm gonna be doing, I don't think I've worn any other pants besides these and any of my get ready was with me. These are the Curve Love 90s ultra high rise straight. I feel like this color specifically, or maybe just this one, is wider in the legs than any of my other ones, which is kind of weird, but anyway, we didn't put lotion on today, so we can actually fit in our jeans. Okay, we're on. We're in a little tucky situation. I'm looking over my mirror. That's why you like, I really can't kind of see me, but I feel like I don't need boots because I feel like it's not that like cold out. I'm also gonna film a video. Like, I'm not just putting this outfit together to go to the post office. I'm also gonna film a video besides this one that you're seeing. So Figured kill two birds, one stone. It's so morbid, but whatever. Okay. I love this green. I feel like this green would look good on like anyone. It's so pretty. I like it with the dark jeans, honestly, a lot. So let's put on our shoes and then we are going to like accessorize with some new jewelry that I got. You don't know this because I just like shoved it all outside, but my office was a disaster because I'm like prepping to pack and can you even see it? There's crap everywhere out there. And I just was like, on my to-do list was like clean the office and I was like, check. And then I was like laughing at myself as I'm like navigating through the hallway of my crap. But what are you gonna do? It's just an illusion. It's all an illusion. Why do my feet feel like they got fatter? Oh my God. Is anyone else just like, ah? I swear my clothes fit me. Does anyone else like take your shoes off and not like fully loosen? You just take it enough off so you don't have to like, to just get the shoe off, you know? Not me, just out of breath. Tying my shoe. My dad, when I remember being like younger and like falling asleep on the couch or something, and my dad would get up and go to work and I would hear him like huffing and puffing to put on his shoes and I'm like, dude, he's so old. And then he would also do this thing with our dog. We used to have black labs and we had this one where he would always like, and I do it now too, clean the eye boogers, you know, the crusty crap that your dog gets in their eyes. And he's like, can't be a rock star with your crusty eye boogers. He'd probably kill me if he knows. But now I say the same thing to Winnie. Cause it's cool, you can't be a rock star with your eye boogers. Oh, all right. That one went on a bit easier. Ah. Pants on, yeah. See, they're just like, I mean, it's really not that noticeable. Just like a little like wider in the leg. I mean, I don't hate it. I'm just saying they're just wider in the leg, but whatever. Come on over here. Come on over here. All right, I'm like dehydrated. Probably because I've had 2 glasses of coffee. Cups. My watch. I'm gonna do a couple bracelets today. A little flat snaky one. Does anyone else, how else do you put on bracelets besides whipping it around? Like there's no possible way, right? So I feel anyways. Did any y'all, like if you don't still, it's not a big deal. Or if you do still, it's not a big deal. But were y'all like part of the Michael Kors watch crew? Like where you had like the big like dad watches or whatever they were called? If you still wear it, fine, whatever, I don't care, wear which one to wear. But if you did wear them and you no longer wear them now, do you still own them or did you get rid of them? I still own like 90% of mine. I think I sold one. They're all like dead, like the battery's dead in my like vanity, but I still own them. These little earrings from Amazon. Sometimes I like can't find the freaking hole. Ordered some new puzzles off Amazon today and they get here between 2 and 6, so I'm about to have me a real good weekend. This is 33. Okay, rings on, and then I'm gonna do a little necklace layering moment. I got this set of necklaces from Amazon. I've already hauled them on the channel, and I got them for the beach because I thought they would look cute, like layered. I don't know, not for the beach. I got them for my trip, and I thought they would look really cute layered. So like with swimwear or dresses or whatever. I don't know. So the first one is this like flat snake. The next one is this like link, like multi-link, different link necklace. So sad that like all the snow is melted right now. Like, where's that snow? As I'm gonna be like cursing it out once I like have to trample through some slush. And then this like rope braided twisted situation I think is so cute. Let's give her a moment. Oh yeah, no, they're cute. Oh, okay. I have not tried them on yet. Okay, I'm here for this. This is it. These are really, really freaking cute. I'm not normally a necklace girl, but I like this. I always am like, I want to be one of those layered necklace girls, and then I'm always like, which ones go together? Which ones look good? Let's leave it to Amazon to help me out with that. All right, now let's do a lippy. Let's do Fenty. Fenty Gloss Bomb and, or Fenty Glow. Gloss Bomb and Fenty Glow. This is still just such an iconic lip gloss. I have the other, maybe I only have the one other shade. I don't think I have the Fussy, or I had it and I no longer have it, but I also have the Diamond Milk. But this is more like cool tone, where I like the warmy tone. So my hair curled so much. I don't know why I don't do it more often, and it really lasts in my hair. Okay, this is it. Let's pick a fragrance. I'm feeling, yes, I'm feeling Woody Tobacco Dossier. I freaking love Dossier fragrances. Like, I don't know, they're just so good. Yes, I go overboard. Cute, cute, cute. I'm feeling myself. All right, this is what I'm wearing. I'm gonna put a big old parka on over the top and no one's gonna see me. But first we're gonna film a video so like you guys will see me, and then I'm gonna put a big parka on to run my errands. So I love filming these with you guys. If you would rather see them in like YouTube short form instead of long form like this, let me know in the comments down below. I really like them. I think they're fun. It really encourages me to get dressed. I hope it encourages you to put together outfits that are either like a new piece or pieces that you haven't worn in forever. That's what's gonna be my next one, I promise. An item that I just like never wear. It's coming. But yeah, I think they're a fun way to kind of incorporate my love of fashion, but my hating of getting dressed. Make it make sense. I don't know. I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.